What's going on, y'all? We about to do a little maintenance on this trailer. See these boats right here and these bunks, you know, they jacked up. It's time for them to get replaced, so I gotta replace them all. So I had to buy some new boards to put on here. Knocked me in the head because they keep coming off. You see that little makeshift boat right there, and the one that's right there, that got to go. We gotta hook it up, put some new boards on there so they don't break and cause no drama down the road. I got Mr. Bug here gonna help me. That's my maintenance man. Step 2, we got the things off in there. This kind of what it look like. I just tightened it where I can move them a little bit. So now what's gonna happen is Mr. Bug, my maintenance guy, he been holding all my tools. We're gonna put the other bunks on there, and I'm gonna show you to them right here. These are the new ones that I got. I'm gonna try this plastic thing because I do not like this carpet. This carpet kind of sucks. So we're just gonna put those carpet versus that. We're gonna try the new and improved stuff and see how it works out. Hope it works. Let's see. Almost done. Here we go. Put those on. Just gotta tighten them up all the way around and put them at the right angle or wherever that's gonna be. Just showing you how it looks before you put the last bunks on them. And then gotta tighten this one up. Put that one on there as well. Throw that one on, and it's on the truck. Put the other boats in there, and this is a rizap for this. And I gotta be worried about this trailer acting crazy. And since I'm open, I'll get it, tighten up every bolt, nut, and screw on this thing while I'm at it, so I can get a little peace of mind. This trailer seems so rickety. Hey, what's going on here? Completing this thing on up. Got the new bunks on there. Tighten all the bolts up on the trailer. Got it ready to rock and roll, as I always say. As you can see, that's how it looks. Got a little rust, don't worry about it. The water hooked that right on up. So now I'm gonna go out here, since it's a traffic hour, and here are the old ones right here on the ground. This what came up out of there. It's rusted to the flow. Now that's one less worry getting stuck and stranded on the water when you go fishing. You can't get back out. That's not a good feeling. But anyway, as always, I try to show y'all things when I do them. This is for the MAKO CPX Easy Load Trailer Bunk Repair. Johnny Bobby's Junk Calling, and I'm out.